Great. There's some attentive eyes, not that many. Everybody is in the back chatting up. So let me just get set up here, and then we can get started. All right. So just intros. Actually, let's do. All right, that's fine. So just for intros, my name is Sofyan Hori. I'm head of product at Weemo. And what I'm going to spend the next 10 minutes talking to you about is basically introducing Weemo for those that don't know the company, and then running through a demo. In fact, can you go off screen with this one? Yeah, just for now, because I forgot it. Thanks, sorry about that. So what is Weemo? Weemo focuses on enabling cloud-based embedded video chat, video conferencing in applications. We deliver a platform with a set of APIs and a set of SDKs that allow application developers, software vendors, telco providers to deliver real-time video communications in their apps. And we do that through a series of set of tools. And those tools are mostly as an abstraction of many of the underlying technologies such as WebRTC. So I know everybody's here interested in WebRTC, but actually what we do is we kind of hide that all away, and we leverage it when it's present, and we implement our own technology in terms of real-time client capabilities when we don't have that capacity in a browser platform such as IE, Safari, iOS, etc. So until we hear any surprises here this week, there's going to be solutions, production-ready solutions to be able to do that. And Weemo has been in that business for over 4 years with a production cloud infrastructure with a set of APIs and a powerful capabilities. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into a demo so you can get a sense of what it is that we're showing here. If you were with us in June in Atlanta, you saw an enterprise social application integration. In fact, the CEO of that company, Exo Platform, was at a session this afternoon to talk about his experiences deploying our technology embedded into his apps. We're working with a multitude of different application vendors. And one of the examples that I'm going to show you here is actually a, if you can just get me on screen on this one now. One of the examples that I'm going to show you is more of a sort of a sales call center sort of application integration where I, as a consumer or customer browsing a particular website, can see a number of different choices. I can choose, let's say I'm interested in this particular printer, but as you can see here, I can directly engage with an agent to help answer some of my questions. I happen to actually have this little MiFi device that I'm not sure this particular printer is going to work with. So for the sake of actually showing this particular device to the customer service rep, I want to be able to actually have a video conversation. It's not a question of talking heads necessarily. We've all talked about video in the call center for years. This is about using video for a purpose and using it in such a way that is easy and easily embedded and easily leveraged by a consumer without all the heavyweight implementations that you generally have with some of the more traditional real-time communication platforms that exist in the market. So I'm just going to initiate a chat. The agent here is going to get this request in his agent desktop, if you will. And I'm just going to say, hey, can we get into a video chat? Let's video. Oh, there it is. He read my mind. So I do a little bit of WebRTC magic, and there, hey, that's not a customer service agent. He's right here somewhere. So anyway, this really just kind of show you the power of a one-click button video communication where I can just show a particular device right here. I might not even be interested in showing seeing the agent per se, but what I'm interested in is showing a particular problem that I might have or a particular situation that I want to actually leverage video for, and that's what we're all here to talk about this week. So if you get a sense of what this is, basically it's just a video frame that's floating on my window. I can engage in a point-to-point video chat. Of course, our platform also enables multi-party video conferencing, where a number of different parties can be across, globally distributed, geographically distributed, and can be on any device on the network. So just kind of get your to try to get your head around what we're doing. A lot of our technologies are starting to focus a lot on mobile. In fact, we just launched and announced today on TechCrunch a particular article where we talk about the deployment of our PhoneGap plugins as well as our iOS and Android SDKs to have this WebRTC client communication technology natively in a particular device without the need of an infrastructure and the transcoding involved that you might be required to deploy in other solutions in the market. So that's pretty much all I have to show you here today.